Right, good morning from Paultons Park, where we're here today for the Valgard Realm of the Vikings opening.
We're very excited.
Yeah, we can't wait to get on Drakon, which we've been watching being built from scratch.
We're also excited to get on the UK first wild swing.
Yep, and also get back on Cobra, which has been rebranded to Raven. So yeah, it's been a while since we've been on that, and looking forward to seeing how it all looks. Yeah, so we're here today. We're just going to go round and see what there is within Valgard Realm of the Vikings, and just kind of see what there is to do. Yeah,
Hope you enjoy.
about to go on Drakon. It's been quite a wait so far. We're about halfway in the queue. It's obviously 95 minutes in total there, so we've probably got about another 25-30 minutes to go from this point. You can see they got a test seat as well, so you can try out and see if you fit. There's theming everywhere, and all the plantations and everything. It all looks really good. Like everywhere you look, there's something to see. Do you like the level of detail and all the signage here? It's
Valgard, you came seeking a home of some storm. You see these monsters, mountains, but all cower. Drakon, ancient, merciless, murder, our hopes slashing. But today, warriors will rise, will claim these skies as your own. If Drakon should appear, you fight! This is Valgard. Our
oh wow, look at all the lighting in here. Looks so good, doesn't it? Even all the signs look really good as well, don't they? How well they're designed. Like we came here last year for Ghostly Manor, like we were impressed with all that theming as well, weren't we?
Yeah, Ghostly Manor has really good theming, but this is like miles better of theming.
Yeah, that's what I think they have to say.
Yeah, it's a really nice queue line, isn't it? So yeah, we're getting close to the station now. Going to see the trains. There's a bit of a minor technical delay. Probably lasted a couple of minutes. They got it running back very quickly. We're in the station now. Yeah, train getting ready for dispatch. Well, another one's coming in. Yeah, really nice theming in here as well. And yeah, you might see on the ceiling there'll be some lights at some point. You ready? Remind yourself you're at Paultons Park. There's a dragon. Whoa! How was that so smooth?
That's so smooth. I loved how it was just staying there.
Cobra's just got off Drakon. We have ride photos as well.
Look at me!
Oh yeah.
Look at me! And he looks like he's having a time of his life. I look like I'm... Yeah, but he's got a really fake...
So it's quite nice. They can actually focus in on your own face, can't they? Give Drakon.
I really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
We got stuck on the lift hill.
That's quite an experience for our first ride on it.
But no, it was very good.
Yeah.
Oh, they're stuck as well.
Oh yeah, look. It's happening. There we go. It's a problem with a lift hill, I
I was
guess.
going to say there's obviously some sort of issue with that part. So it's the same part that we were stuck on.
How about William? You enjoy that?
I thought it was a really good Eurofighter.
That's smooth for a Eurofighter.
Really
enjoyed
smooth.
it.
It
Yeah.
just depends how it's going to age, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
But I do think it will age better.
And Amelia, what do you reckon?
It's good.
It's good. Right, so we're going to go on to Raven now. It's a third of the queue time for Drakon. So 35 minutes doesn't seem too bad, does it?
Nice. Should we get on it then?
Yeah, let's go.
So let's go.
I think I'm really looking forward to this one because we absolutely love going on Cobra. And yeah, just looking at it, it's just so different. You can't tell it's the same ride.
Once aboard, remain seated at all times and keep your arms and legs inside the car throughout the storage boxes provided.
Like the level of detail in it is just incredible.
Remain
You
seated
see apples everywhere.
and keep your arms and legs
as well.
inside the car throughout the journey. Hold on securely using the
Yeah, I think some of the other UK parks should definitely take note.
Visas of Valgard, your next adventure awaits. Raven is an accelerating ride, swift and twisting in its flight. Children must be a minimum of 1.1 meters side per child at all times. Adults riding with a smaller child may wish to choose.
So close.
May wish to choose the rear seat, which is more enclosed and offers additional reassurance during your ride. All warriors must follow the instructions of the ride operators at all.
So we just got off Raven. Do you reckon?
It's so great to be back on that ride, isn't it? I mean, it's such a favourite here at Paultons and one of our favourites.
We missed it as Cobra. I think when that shut down last autumn
Yeah,
and we were coming here, we really missed it.
Yeah.
So it's actually better now.
Oh yeah, definitely. It's a lot smoother, I felt.
Yeah, they've given it a repaint as
Yeah,
well.
yeah, a lot more theming as well to the Raven.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really good. It was good to be back on it.
And yeah, there's the tunnel still there at the end as well. And yeah, nice little surprise in there, isn't there? The bird. Do you enjoy that one?
Yeah,
You're saying you think it's better than Drakon, but
well, we've been on Drakon once. We've been on obviously Raven and Cobra multiple times
Yeah.
without the overlay. So, and to really rate it, I've got to go on it. Like, put like a really good rating.
yeah.
So
Once you've been
I'm
on
not
it a
saying
few
it.
times and you've sat in multiple different seats and rows, that's when you know.
Well, we've been on Cobra multiple times now, Raven. So.
Yeah. And there you got some Vikings going past us behind at the same time. There we go. Where are they going? They're looking for their golden apples, aren't they?
They're on the playground.
Oh yeah, they're on the playground too. So yeah, you got the golden apple frog. You keep seeing these golden apples around the place.
Yeah, I'm wondering, what is it?
That's why they do that, so they can sell it to you. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Ice cold golden apple, topped with butterscotch frog. Do you think we should get one before it sells out?
Maybe.
Because a lot of people here today.
Maybe.
We might not get one. So we are going to try and attempt the feasting hall now. But yeah, it is like nearly 12:30, so it's lunchtime. It's going to be really busy. If not, if it is too busy, we could probably wait a little bit and go on the wild swing. But yeah, let's go in and have a look. Wow, look at this. It's busy, but look at the theming. And you could actually sit on the boat to eat as well. There are tables on the boat. So yeah, that's impressive, isn't it? Like literally, you can walk on the boat. You got tables on the boat. It's very cool. They have got the outdoor seating area as well, so you can go out there on a nice day. But yeah, look at that order screen. Look how much they're preparing. Yeah. So yeah, we've got the kiosks where we can order. Should we go and have a look? So yeah, the golden apple frost. They're really pushing that, aren't they? Have a look at the menu. A nice ordering screens.
We were saying that it's nice that there's a picture next to what
They've actually themed the ordering screens. It looks great. But yeah, you got like a lot of chicken mainly, isn't it? But they got like Nando style sort of chicken, have they?
They got kids. Little Viking.
Got the kids meals there. Here you've got a cheese sandwich meal. Got cheese chicken burger, meatball sub. It looks quite nice actually, doesn't it? You get some tender stem broccoli. You don't see that in theme parks in the UK. Broccoli. Got slaw. You got the hot chicken there. And salads.
You need it like that.
So yeah, we're going to add what we want and place our order. They're saying it's about 40 minutes for the food, so we'll probably go away for a bit and come back. But yeah, we'll show you our food when we've got it. Right, so we just ordered our food. They told us it'd be about a 40-minute wait. So we are going to go on Velociraptor. Why not? Better than standing around doing nothing. We already did that for Drakon, and look, yeah. 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yay, that's what we like at Paultons. That's what we're used to, isn't it, when we come here?
That's why we love Paultons.
Yeah, I think today's just busier because everyone's here for the opening, and you got super fans as well, so you're back to normal soon. I mean, that's why Paultons don't do fast passes, because they don't have the queues. They don't need it. Good operations and everything, and lots to do. So yeah, just got a Velociraptor. It's nice to get on that pretty much straight away, and yeah, got a front seat row. So yeah, probably the best seat for Velociraptor. I keep thinking it's going to say Velocicoaster. Bet loads of people made that mistake. So let's have a look at our pictures.
Oh, you
Hey.
blocked me. You ruined a really good picture of Dad's phone.
It's hard to like not block someone in a picture of your arms.
Today
Right, so she got a dino chase.
Yeah.
We're about 10 minutes in our 40-minute food wait, so dino chase. We should be able to get straight on this. Yeah? Yeah, we've done that before. I think we're I can't remember what theme park it was, but we did do that before, and yeah, it was actually Paultons Park. It was really busy in the restaurant next to Storm Chaser. We ordered our food, did Storm Chaser, came back. You've got to make the most of the time you have in these parks of queues, really. So, right, just got our food. I have to say we're really impressed with how this looks for a theme park. You got your own little Valgard box and everything. Chicken burgers.
Your drink inside it.
Actual chicken there. You got the garlic and herbs, nice. And you got the halloumi. Yeah, that's what I got as well.
That's the kids' meal. Look at the size.
Yeah, this is a kid's meal.
It's the same size as the other adult.
It's a big burger for a kid. But I think you'll manage that, won't you? Yeah. Yeah, it's nice they come in these nice like little trays and that. All themed. We've also got the golden apple things to try as well. Okay, there, we want to try it all. So yeah, gonna tuck into this, let you know how we get on. So yeah, this was one of the first things they started building. The toilets. I remember when, yeah, literally the whole area was all open last year. And yeah, we get to see inside it for the first time. Yeah, I mean, for a toilet block it looks pretty. So here they got the banners up for what they're going to be building for 2027. We've seen a few clues so far, but yeah, it's looking like it's going to be a Mack water coaster. So we'll have to wait and see what they say tonight. You hop over and have a look. You can see that they have got some of the track over there, so it'll be nice to see what the layout's going to be. So we're going to go have a look in the workshop for Raven. Very exciting.
So just before you come in here, guys, just mind your head when you come in, just back a little bit. Bit low. Welcome to what's the Cobra workshop?
You kept some of it blue.
Yeah, we kept some of it blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bits that people don't see is still blue.
Oh,
Yeah, come on in, come and have a look.
thanks very much. So yeah, mind your head when you go under here.
That's the only thing we need to watch. Make sure you don't bang your head.
Yeah.
Some of you are okay, but we're certainly not.
So yeah, this is quite a ride we've missed. This is.
Yeah?
Yeah, like
Yeah, we do.
we
I've always loved the Cobra.
close what in September, October time, isn't it?
Yeah.
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 Just had a little look around the Raven workshop. Really nice to see in there and just get up close to the track and chat to the staff who maintain the rides. And yeah, we gave good feedback, didn't we? Just saying how much we appreciate how it's all looked after. And
Really nice, wasn't it? Like,
yeah.
just to open the doors and let us in there and to take the time to talk to us as well.
Yeah, we were literally just stood there. They're like, "Do you want to come in and have a look?" We're like, "Yeah."
Yeah, so friendly as well. And I
Yeah.
mean, the team, they really understand their values of Paultons Park, so that's really good to see.
That's why it's become what it's become. Winning all these awards. We're going to do our last ride of the day in the Valgard area.
And we're going to go on the Wild Swing.
This is the last thing we've got to do, Wild Swing. 25 minutes. Probably the shortest queue here
Yeah.
so far. So yeah, let's get in there.
That's weird.
Right, so we've just done the wild swing. That was a really good swing ride actually. Very smooth, a lot smoother than I thought, and some really good motion on there, wasn't it?
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was weird going forward, you know when you change direction?
Yeah.
So going forward felt weird, it felt like I was going to hit that bar, like some near misses. But I quite enjoyed going backwards on it, it was quite nice. Very smooth.
You are,
fun.
yeah, because you're going one direction, aren't you? Say forwards.
Yeah.
Then all of a sudden it goes backwards.
Yeah.
So it kind of catches you surprise.
It's very good for a family ride.
It's very comfortable as well, isn't it?
Yeah, the seats are really comfortable.
As soon as you sit in it. Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
It's not a go.
Right. So we've done all the rides now in Valgard. So yeah, we're going to try and take a look elsewhere. What's got good queue times, and starting to rain as well. So we might be indoors somewhere.
Should we go some minutes? Only on 10 minutes.
Woo! Let's go. That's the kind of queue time that I like. And this is still quite a new ride. It's only last year this opened. Yeah, year old today. And it's a perfect ride for us because it's trying to rain. So hopefully come out and it's just like sunshine and heat. Probably not. But yeah. Yeah, they've really looked after this ride after a year. Still looks brand new. Looking good. So 10 minutes this one. We get to see Bacon at the end as well. Bacon the bird. Hey Bacon! Bacon!
Hello, Bacon.
Bacon!
Oh, pretty boy.
Hello! Hello!
Hello, Bacon.
Hello!
Hello, Bacon. Hello. Hello.
Hello!
Hello.
Hello, Bacon.
You wave.
You like to do this every time, don't you?
Look, happy to leave.
You're so nice.
Look at it.
No.
Right, looking at the merch that they have on offer here. So they've got all the magnets.
This one's quite nice.
Yeah.
It's kind of that kind of bubble effect style on the magnets. They're not like metal or anything, but
No,
yeah,
it does look quite nice.
They're still quite nice.
Then they got some rounder ones here as well, which are like bubbles. It's quite nice
Yeah.
as well.
If you've been to Paultons before, they have this style for the Paultons Park logo magnet. We've got that one already at home, haven't we?
Yes, we have. And what's the price of that? That's £3.
£3.50 for every magnet.
That's really good value for a magnet.
Yeah. If you want a good deal, they got this. You get 4 for £7.99.
Yeah, that is a good deal.
So they're quite nice.
Yeah, I quite like those.
Yeah.
Then they've got the pin badges down here, which again, they're not badly priced either. So
Yeah,
you've
the
got
Drakon pin's quite nice.
Drakon.
Yeah, it's got like a metal back.
Yeah.
The pins are £4.50 each.
That's not too bad either for a pin, is it? And then we've got here, got the Valgard. Again, that's quite nice. And then you've also got the Wild Swing pin badge as well. And again, that's £4.50. They also have some key rings here too, which are $3.99. Again, same sort of design as the pin badges, where they've got the Valgard, the Wild Swing, and then the Raven.
Check this out, look, these lanyards are nice.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's actually quite nice match.
Quite nice,
Paultons,
isn't it? Have a look at this one. It's nice, isn't it? And then they've got the Valgard as well. Right, over here they've got some plush.
Hello!
Hello!
This one's quite good actually. I like how you got like the shield on there. It's actually got the logo on it. Because with the Paultons Park shop, a lot of their merch is just toys.
Yeah.
Nothing to do with Paultons.
This
So
one's like fluffy. It's like really fluffy.
yeah, so that's quite.
Yeah, no, they're quite good, and that's priced at $14.99,
Yeah.
and then the Raven bird is $12.99.
Yeah. We also got merch as well for Raven, Drakon, and Wildwing as well separately. It's like clothing and stuff like that.
And then over here, look at me.
I'm quite impressed actually, because these are actually like adult size,
Oh wow,
not kid size.
they're good.
They do have kid size ones, like these.
William, look at me. You look very impressed with that.
You've got a Drakon t-shirt on as well.
Oh yeah. Let's have a look over here then at the Drakon t-shirt. So here's the Drakon t-shirts, and then you've also got some bottles, and then you also got some notebooks as well.
Right, we are wrapping up our day here at Paultons Park.
As you can see, the weather's taken a turn for the worse.
Yeah, it's a lot different than it was last time we came.
Yeah.
We're always lucky the weather when we come to Paultons Park, but yeah. We've got to about 4 o'clock and now it's raining.
So we've done, we're happy. I hope you'll see from the vlog that, you know, it's been a great day, but yeah, ready to go now.
Yeah, we got our coffee to warm us up a little bit before we go. Yeah, I think overall, seeing Valgard in the flesh has been amazing, like really well
They've
done.
done so well in the last sort of year to 18 months that they've had to transform that area. It's just amazing. It feels like you're in a completely different theme park.
Yeah, it's not a long time, is it, a year to turn around,
No, they've done
especially
well.
the British weather.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're going to find out later on what's happening in the area where the go-karts used to be. So interested to see what that's going to be. But we all think we know anyway. It could be a water coaster from that, but we'll see.
Okay.
But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, please like and subscribe because that means a lot.
Bye.
Bye.